We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Come on, there's a box. I gotta open the box. Yeah, Zeus is ready. Come on, Bibs. Come on, Vivian. Oh my goodness, it's the Christmas one. Look, it's Arthur. It looks like Arthur wearing a scarf. I don't think Arthur would ever do that. That's funny though, it's cute. And you got a big peppermint candy. It smells like it's a catnip candy. It says peppermint, but I think it's catnip. Catnip. Stupid little. Here. And an abominable snowman. What's it say? Merry Monster. Merry Monster. All I know is the box was jam-packed full. So I was really curious. Do you want the Merry Monster? Merry Monster's super soft. Look at that. Come on up here. Yeah, let us see you. Come on. And then just sit down there talking about it. And I see socks. Catwalk collection. Socks. Black and white socks. Argyle socks. More argyle socks. Cat paw socks. And blue socks. Those are really cute. Little ears. Yeah. The catwalk collection. I'll mix and match them. That'd be really cute too. Who has two cats that look identical? Not very many people. No, they don't. Not very many people. Let's get the little plastic things. We don't want you eating them. Yeah? Are you coming up here? She's playing and spitting on all over the... Yeah. Whisker wine glasses. Ooh, these are actually glass. That's nice. The tiki ones were plastic, but I guess they were intended for outside. They have whiskers on them. See if I put this in there, you'll be able to see the whiskers, and they're done in gold. See the whiskers? Very cute. Very cute. Don't drink wine, but a glass is a glass. A glass is a glass. Oh, you got, oh, she took the Merry Monster down. And then there's a card talking about their new Spoiled Cats Club. So it's basically just for cats, cat toys and all that kind of stuff. Whereas the Cat Lady box has stuff for the humans in the cats' lives. And then today's, let's move the glasses. Today, or this month's t-shirt, and they just really do a good job folding. Cats, a sign of good taste. So that must be why they're the wine glasses. Good taste. It's not ironed. That's really cute. This one looks like Morganon when he was a baby. And that could be Zeusy when he was a baby, but he doesn't have blue eyes. And I don't think he ever did. Some kittens have blue eyes and they change. This is going straight to the wash. It won't be wrinkled when it comes out. Very cute. Now they're going to do their usual craziness on the floor. Oh, did you chase him off? new box. I know that's just as exciting as the toys, right? A new box. And when you're done with them, the outdoor cats like them. And then, as usual, there are the rescues that they donated to this month, plus 8 more. And then Angie Roselar did the artwork. I swear that looks like Arthur, it's so funny. Mr. Arthur MacArthurson. Alright. Have at it, Vivian. This is funny because they're glass. Keep away from naughty kitties. Are you a naughty kitty? Yeah. Why is it cats knock everything off of flat surfaces? Why is that? What, did you think I had something more? You got it all already. Yeah, you got it all already. Here. It's all spitty already. Here. Come get your friendly monster. Man, how do you get it so wet? Like the dogs got a hold of it. They're not even in here. This one's just like loaded with catnip. I can feel it in there. Yeah, Zeus knows. Zeusy knows. See, here's your December box. It's still December, but there's an extra box. And I had to open it because it got pinched by the gate. I was afraid something was broken. But everything is fine. Yeah, it's all fine. You gonna get up here and see what's in it? Are you coming? Oh. Yeah, so it's a bonus. You guys get an extra bonus box. Yeah. Yeah, I got you an extra box. They had the opportunity to buy a box for 15 bucks and you got to select which one you wanted too. So I kind of know what's in it already. But this is what I thought got broken because it was in this box. And you see the box is pretty beat up. Because the delivery guy, look at that, just squished it. The delivery guy put the box on the gate, but then when I opened the gate, I didn't know it was there, and then when I opened the gate, the box fell, and it got in the way of the arm. It does have little fractures in it, but I think it's just in the glaze. It seems whole. It still has a tail, but it's a little bank. Isn't it cute? It's a U bank. Yeah, it looks like you. Little ceramic orange cat. It's cute. Yeah, let's see what else is in there. Let's see what else is in here. Oh. Oh. Wow, look at that handsome guy. Look at that handsome guy. So this is from July of 22. July of 22. I guess they do this every year. You have the option to buy an older box. The option. What did I do with the knife? I know I brought it in here with me. Okay, just pull this thing out of here. Look, it's a catnip bow tie. Oh man, that's really stinky. Hey. It's cute too. Yeah. It's our favorite color, huh? Look, it matches you. Yeah, it matches you. Let's see what the t-shirt says. The t-shirt is lavender. Feline paralysis. The condition in which a person is unable to move due to the presence of a cat on their lap. Isn't that the truth? There's such a thing as canine paralysis now too. Zeus. Careful where you put your nose. Here, you want this? It's very dapper. It matches you too, yeah. Oh gosh. One cat toy. There's supposed to be two. Where's the other one? There it is. You had it. World's best cat. It's a mug. Yeah, it looks like a mug. It has cat ears. And it smells good? Yeah? You like that one? Okay. Oh goodness. Who's world's best cat? Is it Zeus? Or is it Venus? You guys are so weird. Here. And then there's a basket in here. Which, I have this from I think it was the mystery box that I got. It had this, but I didn't have any of the other stuff, so it's just a little woven tray. Now there's your December toys and your extra toys. Yeah, look at that. So Amy Beth Payne is the artist for July 22, and they donated to these shelters, but that was like 3 years ago. But there's a little cat, and we put the Arthur one in this frame the other day. It's pretty cute, huh? Was it worth coming out from underneath the Christmas tree? Was it? Was it worth it? Here's the other toy. Yeah. There's the other toy. You guys are silly. You're silly. Where'd the black one go? Somebody take the oh, it's right here. It's right here. Yeah, that's really good catnip in those. It's aged. You're silly. And we got a bank. We got a little bank. Alright. Can you tell everybody Happy New Year? Have a Happy New Year? Yeah. You're silly. Oh my. Nimoy's trying to come in. She knows not to mess with your cat face though. Yeah. She does know that. She knows. Leave the kitty face alone. Yeah. Yeah. Feline paralysis. That's a good one. Yeah. Here. Here. You want it? I don't think it's a hat. No. Is it a hat? Nope. Is this a hat? Nope. Oh, an ear flick. Oh, you're fancy. Yeah. Here. She said, stop it. Stop it, don't do that. Oh, it looks like a beret. Okay, you're so weird. There you go. Look, you got a box, she's got a box. You want to get in there? You can get in the box? Yeah. Okay. Say, have a happy new year. We'll see you in January. Bye.